Yes, so my people waited there. I say better good morning to everybody. My dear people, my handsome men and my beautiful ladies and our better people waiting for all over the every angles of our Nigeria. My own name is Papa Jojo, and straight away, wait till we get for that this morning. Now just the TerraBand program in addition with the dumbbell. This one I just to help you condition every part of the joint and to firm up the flapping part of your muscular structure. We get to do with the bicep and the tricep muscles. But straight away, I just want to let you know, say, I get guests where they join me this morning. The one way there on my right side, her name now, Queen. And you know, straight away, I'm not going one waste time to bypass the one way there on my left side, where her name be Tosi. And you just have your see they're already in the mood of fitness world. So you just have where they're close to your screen. Just do waiting. They follow up your count the way that they go as they follow up your count.
8.
Then
1.
2. You see this one? My people where they watch us the way they go.
4.
This one is just to help you firm up the bicep. If you look, my guest,
7.
if you look at left hand, you'll see say the bicep part of the muscular structure, it a pump, it a light, it a pump, it a flex, it a extend. Meanwhile, as she move the dumbbell, the thing they work with that, and she herself going to feel the impact as we go. So just follow up like that.
8.
All right, stop. The one way you do next, Nana. 1, you take and go. 2, follow up like that. 3, take them up like that. 4, straight away. 5, 6. My people where they out there, where the followers go, the way where they go. You'll see say, as you they follow up, where you just have to hold your bottle water, they go. You're going to feel the impact. Say, your tricep muscle, they feel the effect of this program. And you're going to need to follow up your count. 6, 7. The last one, 8. Now just take them up. Straight away from the back side, you go stretch. 1. You go come. My people where they out there where they watch us, you'll see say, it get close to the clavicles. So you just need to go
4.
like that. 5. Follow your count. 6. Meanwhile, they use the TerraBand. So my people where they on the screen, if you just have to try to work out as if coincident, you get the TerraBand as we go. Then just try to follow up the program the way they go. Then you're going to feel the resistant force from the TerraBand. And as you feel them, your shoulder going to feel the impact. Your bicep and your tricep muscle going to feel them hard. So no give up. Just try to face them like challenges where you need to battle with.
5.
6. Then 7. Last one on 8. Now, this one, what you do? You just try. If you get dumbbell for your house, or you use the TerraBand, what they use, just do waiting. See the way we position the hand. Not the way you get for hand matter, but how you apply your technical reflection to help you meet up. You go hold your dumbbell like this, which means that one they grip hold to your waistline. Then this one will flex on your right shoulder. You go. 1. Let's go. 2. Just follow up. 3. My people where they where they watch us the way they go. If you look my guest,
5.
look on top the shoulder. Or another basic word where you man they call the clavicles. You see say if they do it, she they feel the impact, but she don't tell you. And if you look the bicep muscular structure, the thing they pump, it they high, it they less. And the other tricep self they do it, they go. Let's go. 7, 10, 8. Okay, we change over to the other side. But my people, I really want to appreciate now for this special time when I don't get with us. My own name is Papa Jojo. Make it not forget one. The only man where they make person Joe as they go. So don't forget in our top channel 195 Wazobia TV. Now you they do it. Now you they watch this special program for top your screen. Or top channel 195 Wazobia TV or top start time. Until next time, we go see God keep us alive. Bye.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.